Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Profile Plus. This is Padma. As we all know, we are awaiting for this 2022 to be the best year of our lives because we all suffered really a lot in the last year in the pandemic. It was completely crucial for each one of us to just come across this biggest panic situations. Now let's hope for the best to happen this year, and in this video I'm going to teach the best ways to wish someone happy new year. Let's begin. Yes friends, as a part of our lessons today, I'm going to teach you all the best ways to wish someone happy new year. See, just stop giving this boring phrase to everyone. I wish you a happy new year. I wish a very prosperous new year and all such stuff. It all become very old fashioned and quite boring to hear. Okay, so now let me just tell you some interesting phrases which you can use it to wish someone special in your life. My very first sentence here is to wish your close ones, your loved ones. It can be your spouse, your partner, or someone whom you have a very thickest friendship. Okay, so this can be used with who are all very close to you. Okay, so in that case you tell them, I wish the new year makes our bond stronger. Okay, I wish this new year makes our bond even more stronger. This sounds so sweet. Rather just telling them happy new year and all that, just tell them, I wish this new year makes our bond even more stronger. Okay, that is my very first sentence here. The second one is also quite interesting, and you can use the second one in fact within your close circle. Fine, so this one starts like this: please don't make any resolutions, you are perfect. Please don't make any resolutions, you are perfect. Means it is like of course you're trying to impress someone by giving you this. Also you're making someone feel so happy that they are very perfect in your vision. Correct? So please give them such kind of a wishes which will be always rejuvenating for them on the best day. Okay, so please tell them, please do not make any resolutions, you're already perfect. And then you continue with happy new year. Next one here is a quite informal ways of wishing someone a happy new year. Okay, so now it starts like this: have a hangover free new year. See why I call it as like informal. It can be just shared between your friend circle whom you know that they are like little carefree about celebrating their new year. And please understand, this year we have a very strong rules and regulations in celebrating our new year. As we all know, there are many fields of being just completely suffering the last 2021, and this 2022, the most important thing is we should just follow all the protocols where the government is insisting. So beyond that, if you want to just wish someone, some youngster or someone whom you know always being very carefree about celebrating new year, you can give them such a wish. What is it like? You can just tell them, have a hangover free new year. I hope you know what I mean to say here. Those who booze, you can tell them, have a hangover free new year. It can be a little informal between friends. The next one here is, wishing you the new year's best. Okay, this is very simple but also very sweet to hear. Wishing your new year's best. So you're just giving someone the best new year wishes. So rather saying wishing you the best new year, just alternate it by saying wishing you the new year's best. This is also a quite a stylish way to wish someone a happy new year. The next one here, best wishes to one of the best person I know. Okay, so this you can in fact use both formally and informally. So you are trying to tell the opposite person they are really special to you. and you also respect, and you also make the person feel important in your life. So you are giving them the wishes like this: best wishes to one of the best person I know. So it's quite complimenting. Also, you are giving them the best wishes. So this is another way to wish someone a happy new year. Next here, okay, may this new year gives you new reasons to smile. Okay friends, this is so sweet, isn't it? See, when you just tell someone, okay, this can be used even to your superiors, your colleagues, someone whom you wanted to wish quite formally. Okay, may this new year gives you a lot of reasons for you to smile. Means it is quite very formal, and you are just praying and wishing for someone's laughter and joy. So I hope you all might know these simple phrases like, I wish your new year is filled with a lot of laughter and joy. These things we normally use, the words like laughter, joy, and there are some people who wish new year like this, I wish your new year is filled with exciting memories. Your new year is filled with exciting memories. So these are all very simple phrases where we use every year, and this can be a little more special. Like this new year, okay, I wish this new year gives you a lot of reasons to smile. Fine. So this is another way. The last sentence here, okay, here it starts like this: may this new year, okay, this is again friends, this last sentence you can use it to someone in the business, probably the person whom you completely inspire in your professional life. Okay, to them you can wish using this sentence: may this new year is an incredible part of your gigantic vision. So there are some person who are looking to, who are completely career focused. Say for example, he's very workaholic, career focused, and you wanted to just wish them a very good year ahead. So you are trying to make a point here on the new year: I wish this new year brings an incredible part of your gigantic vision. So it talks about their time, they are eagerly waiting for their success. Maybe this year is going to be more successful for them. That's what it indirectly says. So try to use all the sweet sentences to wish someone a happy new year this 2022. And you can always say, like, a new year, and there are some people who also say happy 2022, also like very simple and sweet. Fine. So please try to use as sweet as possible the sentences according to the persons whom you are trying to wish. Also, don't use the same phrase to everyone, friends. It's quite boring. Okay, so use all these phrases by tomorrow. Yes, by tomorrow, by 12 o'clock, you can just start using one of these sentences to wish your loved ones a happy new year. If you like this video, don't forget to press that like button. That motivates me to do a lot more videos like this. Enrich, empower, and emerge with English. Wish you a very happy new year. All the best.